The overpumping of the Ogallala Aquifer in the United States has become a serious environmental issue with far-reaching implications. This aquifer is one of the world's largest and stretches beneath 8 states, from southern South Dakota to Texas. The Ogallala Aquifer is a deposit of liquid natural capital with a slow rate of recharge. It has helped make the Great Plains one of the world's most productive irrigated agricultural regions. However, groundwater is being pumped out of parts of the southern half of the Ogallala Aquifer 10 to 40 times faster than the natural recharge rate, lowering water tables and raising pumping costs, especially in parts of Texas. The overpumping of the Ogallala Aquifer, along with urban development and restricted access to Colorado River water, has decreased irrigated cropland in Texas, Arizona, Colorado, and California. It has also increased competition for water among farmers, ranchers, and growing urban areas. As a result, the government subsidies, payments or tax breaks designed to increase crop production, have encouraged farmers to grow water-thirsty crops in dry areas, which has accelerated the depletion of the Ogallala Aquifer. Serious aquifer depletion is also taking place in California's semi-arid Central Valley, which supplies half of the country's fruits and vegetables. The problem of overpumping the Ogallala Aquifer, combined with other factors such as climate change, has been causing more frequent and severe droughts, impacting agriculture and water availability. The depletion of the Ogallala Aquifer has enormous implications for the future of agriculture in the United States and the sustainability of the region's water resources. One of the main challenges in addressing the overpumping of the Ogallala Aquifer is the competing demands for water among different users, such as farmers, ranchers, and urban areas. A systems analysis is necessary to identify the various nodes within the system that may be strong vectors or recipients of positive or negative feedback in this system. This analysis should consider the potential impact of policy and regulatory frameworks and market mechanisms on water use and allocation, as well as the potential impact of climate change and other stressors on the availability of water resources. There are several management plans in place to tackle this current or impending water security problem. One of the approaches is the implementation of conservation measures and water use efficiency practices. These practices aim to reduce water demand and increase water use efficiency in agriculture, industry, and urban areas. This approach can include measures such as improving irrigation systems and techniques, adopting crop varieties that require less water, reducing water losses in distribution systems, and promoting water-saving technologies in homes and businesses. Another approach is the implementation of water trading mechanisms that enable water rights holders to sell or lease their water allocation to other users. This mechanism can provide incentives for water users to conserve water and increase efficiency, and also provide more flexible water allocation options to users with different needs. In addition to these approaches, it is also important to raise public awareness and education on the importance of water conservation and sustainable use. This can involve community outreach programs and educational campaigns that inform the public on the importance of water resources, the impacts of overpumping and depletion of the Ogallala Aquifer, and the measures that can be taken to conserve water and promote sustainable water use. In conclusion, the overpumping of the Ogallala Aquifer is a serious environmental issue that requires urgent attention and action. The competing demands for water among different users, combined with other stressors such as climate change, make it a complex and challenging problem. A systems approach that considers the interconnections between different nodes within the system is necessary to identify the most effective solutions. This approach can include measures such as water conservation, water use efficiency, water trading, and increased use of alternative water sources such as rainwater harvesting and wastewater reuse.